Good day everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to convert a table to Microsoft Excel file in ArcGIS. So let's get started. In ArcGIS, I have this points data, and if I open the attributes table, I'll just right click and click on open attributes table. In attributes table, I have this various field. If I want to convert this very table to Excel file, let me show you how to do it. Actually, you can copy the table and go to Excel sheet and paste it. But if the data is huge, it may not be easier to copy and paste. So the easiest way is to convert it to Excel file. So let me show you how to do it. So let's close this page. To do it, just come to search and search for table to Excel. So you can just search for Excel. Click on search. Here you can see table to Excel. This is the tool for converting table to Excel. So if I click on it, it will open the table. And here the input table will be my data, in this case Kogi Towns. So I'll click on the drop down and select my data. Then my output Excel file, I'll click here and navigate to my working folder. Here is my folder, so I can just call it Excel file. Then you can see the format is .xls, so I'll click on save. Then I'll leave all other things at default and click on OK. So this will run and convert the table to Excel file. Yes, the conversion is successful. Now let's verify. If I go to that very folder, here is the folder. Let me open it. And here you can see Excel file we just saved. So let me double click to open it. Yes, here is the table that has been converted to Excel file. You can see all the informations. So in essence, this is how to convert a table to Excel file in ArcGIS. Thank you for watching.